So they ask us to inscribe a regular hexagon, regular meaning that all 6 sides are the same, or an equilateral triangle inside of a circle. So I'll do the hexagon first, and then I'll show you the equilateral triangle. It is the same idea, but half the amount of work at the end. So here, I'm going to use the center of the circle and a point anywhere on this circle that I draw. So let's say I draw point A. I'm going to use the radius of this circle, so from the center to point A. Keep my compass that width, and then put the point on A and make a tick mark. Using that intersection point, make another tick mark, and then keep going around the circle like so. And then we should have 6 evenly spaced tick marks. Now we have all of these points. We know that they are the same distance away from each other because we kept the compass radius the same. So we can take our ruler and connect each one of these points from one to the adjacent point. And sometimes I'll ask you to name this. Of course, if it says name it as hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, then do that. I'm just going to show you how to do this, but obviously you can follow instructions on the naming conventions. And now we have a 6-sided figure, and these are all the same size side. To make an equilateral triangle, it is the same process to start. We're going to open the compass radius to keep it this radius. Of course, we want to start with a point A again. And then from A, we are creating tick marks on this circle edge. Going one to the next. Okay. So a hexagon has 6 sides, a triangle obviously has 3. We know that these are all evenly spaced. So instead of connecting one to the next, I'm actually going to skip one each time. So I'm going to go A, skip that tick mark, go to the next one. Connect them with your straight edge. Skip the next tick mark, go to the next one. Connect it with a straight edge, and then same thing on the last one.